Now in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to figure out how many product review videos are on any given product on Amazon.com. Okay, you want to know this so that you can see very, very clearly, is a product saturated with review videos or is it a gold mine untapped? Let me give you an example. A while back, I got this cool little camera. It's called a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. It's a pretty sweet camera. And I wanted to make a review video for this. So there's a couple ways you can find a product on Amazon. If you know what it's called, you can clearly just search for it. But another hint, like another little secret, is let's say you have a product, but you actually don't know how to find it on Amazon. It's happened to me many times. Whip out your phone, open up the Amazon app, click the search bar where the camera is, take a picture of it, and then it'll find it there. Now, I searched for it. I looked for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And when I scroll down, I found it right here. Now, it already shows me some good information. It shows me the number of influencer videos, but I kind of want a better, I want more information about the product. So once I click on the product, check this out. It shows me all of the product information for this camera. It shows me how much revenue it has sold in terms of product sales in the last 30 days. But also I could see that at the top carousel, there's 10 videos total. And let me explain it like this. This first number, 5, is how many videos are produced by the brand DJI. And then the next 5 are going to be Amazon influencer videos, okay? And it does show me that at the bottom of the product page, down here, there's also 10 other product review videos. And then in total, there's 15. But that doesn't make sense, because I thought you said there's 10 videos at the top and 10 videos at the bottom. Well, that is true, but 5 of those videos at the top are brand videos. And so the total amount of Amazon influencer videos is going to be 15. That is the easiest way for you to figure out how many product review videos are on this product, and therefore will tell me, is it a good product to review or not? This gives you so much insight. Do this with any product inside of your house. Look around you, find a product, search for it, and see how many product review videos are on this product page. And if you want to figure out how to do this step by step, go ahead and access the free trial of Review Pro down in the description and in the comments. And all you have to do is download it, sign up, and then you're going to download the Review Pro extension here at the top right. You can log in, and then you'll get access to all of this information.